In this short video, we're going to take a quick look at the new Microsoft Teams custom background feature, which allows you to set a custom background when you're having a video call with your teammates and colleagues. This feature launched just recently, so today I'm going to show you how to use it. So first, let's pretend we're joining a meeting. So you can see here, this is the create a meeting screen. And down the bottom here, you've got this new icon, which is a person with a sort of background there. If you turn that on when you're creating a meeting now, you get this new screen which allows you to set all these background options. So if I, for instance, choose this one, you'll see that that white wall behind me, which was this, now turns into some sort of office environment. Previously, there was only one background setting, which was this blur. But now you can see there's all these different options, even some Minecraft. And so when you click join now, as you'll soon see, you'll join the meeting with this new background. So as you can see here, you can't see the white wall behind me anymore. You can now see the Minecraft background. So if you actually join a meeting, let me just hang up here. So if you join a meeting and forget to actually set that, so if you leave that off, you can still join. And once you connect, just close that, you can see these more action menu here. So if you click on that, and then there's show background effects, and that brings up the same menu that you would have seen just before. So again, you can just choose any background. You can actually preview before you apply it. That does disable your video feed in the conversation, but on the side here, you'll actually see what the new background will look like. So you can see here, if I choose one of these, it very quickly swaps out my white wall for any of these options. And then you can also apply and turn on the video again, and that will set the new background in your conversation. So that's a quick look at how to set custom backgrounds using Microsoft Teams. At the moment, you can't actually upload your own custom background. You're limited to this set that Microsoft provide. But stay tuned for more and subscribe to the channel.